So today I'll be showing you how to back up your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to accounts and backup, tap on that. And then in the backup section, or rather right here, you have the option for backup to Samsung Cloud or backup to Google Drive. Okay. So if you want Samsung Cloud, you need to have signed in your Samsung account, and then you can tap on backup data. And then if it's the first time, you might be required to update Samsung Cloud. Okay. And once you do that, now you can go back and look at that option. So here you can turn off everything you don't want to backup, or otherwise you can leave everything on, including the voice recordings. Now, once you're ready, just tap on backup now, and your phone will start backing up all your data to your Samsung account. So next time when you buy a Samsung phone, you can just restore all your data back. Okay. Now, alternatively, if I could go back one step, you have the Google Drive option, and that gives you the ability to back up your data to your Google Drive account. So for instance, if you have all this data here, as you can see, you can just select everything and then choose whether you want to back up over mobile data or Wi-Fi only. And when you're happy with everything, you can just tap on the backup now button, and that's going to back up everything to your Google Drive. Of course, you'll need to have your password there. Simple as that. So that is basically how to back up your data, or how to back up your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.